Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got a fantastic topic for you that's going to simplify your web development journey. We are diving deep into HTML iframes, and I promise by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to use them to enhance your web projects. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future tutorials. Alright, so what exactly is an iframe? Think of it as a window within a window. If you ever wanted to embed a web page, a video, a map, or even a social media feed into your own website, iframes are your go-to solution. Now let's see how to create an iframe. We use the tag iframe, and attribute source specifies the source URL, width and height set the dimensions of your iframe, and frame border controls whether the frame border is visible or not. So the magic happens when you load this code. Your iframe creates a separate window on your web page showing content from the source URL. You can use iframe to display videos, maps, or even other websites. Now your iframe looks awesome and fits perfectly with your website design. But there's one more thing you should know. Iframes can be double-edged sword. They can slow down your website's load time if you are not careful, especially if you embed a lot of them. So use them wisely and always consider the performance impact. There you have it. In just few minutes, you've learned how to use iframes to enhance your web projects. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments below and tell us what other HTML or web development topics you'd like to learn more about. Until next time, happy coding and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.